Hi friend, in this video I am going to show you the best settings that you can use in order to record a high quality video using OBS Studio software. When you start this initially, when you start recording a video using OBS software, you might have seen the quality of the video that you are recording that is not good. Okay, the video is little blurry and the content is not showing properly, or it is not that clear. Okay, so if you watch this video till the end, you will definitely find the settings that you can use in order to record the good quality video. Okay, if you want to refer other videos that I have for OBS Studio software, you can refer those videos by referring the links that I have given in the description of this video. Those videos will help you to understand about OBS and the different queries you might have about OBS, how to start recording. You can get these details using those videos. Okay, now let's start with the settings that we have to do. Okay, so once you start your OBS Studio software, you will see the screen like this. Okay, in the last video we saw about how to do setup and how to add sources. You can see here there are different sources like text source, image source, display capture source, and audio input capture. Okay, so this is actually the image source, this is text source, and this is actually the display capture source. Okay, I hope you have also created the different sources. Now let us see the setting. The first setting is you have to click on the tools icon and then click auto configuration wizard. Here you can see three options: optimize for streaming, optimize just for recording. So I want it for recording, so I will select this, optimize just for recording. Click next, and then click apply settings. Okay, once you have completed this step, then click on this settings button in the bottom right side. Here you can see, click on this and go inside the video section. Here you can see the base resolution and the output resolution. You see the base resolution is 1600 into 900, but the output resolution is 1280 into 720. So in both the places you have to use the resolution of your device. It may be your laptop or desktop or any other device from where you are recording, okay, using which you are recording. So I am let's say I am recording with the laptop, so I will see the resolution of my laptop first. For that, you can click on the display setting, and then here you can see the resolution. The resolution is 1600 into 900 is recommended, so I have to use this one. It may be different in your case. The one that is selected here, you can use that. So I will use 1600 into 900 in the base resolution and in the output resolution as well. Okay, so base and output resolution should be same. And in common FPS values, that is frame per second values, you can use 30 or 60. Let it be 30. And then you have to go in output tab. Here you can see output mode. You have to go in advanced mode. Okay, and go inside the recording. And then here you can see the video is getting recorded at this location, and the recording format is MP4. You can select the format that you want. For me, I will go for MP4. And here you can see encoder. So you have to click on this, and if you click on this, you will see the encoder. So there are two encoders, QuickSync and X264. You can use any of these, but once you select QuickSync or you select X264, okay, I would recommend go for QuickSync. Here you see there are a couple more options you have been given. So Here you can see the rate control option, and if you click on this you will see different types of rate control option. The first one is CBR, that is constant bitrate, and VBR, that is variable bitrate. I would recommend you to use VBR, variable bitrate, and then you can use CBR as well, that is constant bitrate. The only difference that I found is that in case of CBR, the size of the the video that gets recorded, the size is much high than the video that I record using CBR, but the quality in both the cases are good. Okay, because of the size issue, I prefer to use VBR. I'll go for VBR. You can do a test. You can use CBR one time and then VBR one time, and then see the differences in the size of both the uh, videos. Okay, so now I'll select VBR, and then here you can see bitrate and max bitrate. This is actually quite important what you have to give here. This is actually the key component that maintains the quality. So for this I would show you some recommendations of encoding for the YouTube videos, coding settings for YouTube videos. You can open this link and go inside the bitrate section. I would suggest go in other parts as well, because this is actually a recommendation by the Google itself for YouTube videos for maintaining a good quality. Here you can see two options. One is for SDR uploads and other is for HDR uploads. And here you can see the different bitrate options that you can use for recording the video. Since my resolution is 1600 into 900, you have to use the second one, that is 900, which is approximately a near about 1080, or you can say that it's in between 720 or 1080. I will use a bitrate approximately 10 or 12 Mbps. Okay, so you have to use as per your resolution. If your resolution is, let's say, 1900 into 720, then you can use this one, or your resolution is 1440 or something like that, then you can use this one. Or if your frame rate is 60, then you have to refer this one. If you have frame rate 30, then you have to select the bitrate from these options. Frame rate you can see from here. We have set frame rate as 30. Okay, so we'll see the options in this one. So I'll use near about 10 to 12 Mbps. Okay, you have to decide as per your resolution. So let's make it 10,000 kbps, that is near about 10 Mbps, and 12,000 kbps. Okay, okay, so I'll use 10,000 and max bitrate to 12,000 kbps, that is 10 to 12 Mbps. Okay, so that's all you have to make, and once you make these changes, just click apply and then click OK. Now if you record your videos, you will definitely see the difference. The quality of your videos must have been improved. Okay, so that's all about this video. I hope the video was helpful for you, and if you have any queries, please do write in the comment box. I will try to respond you as soon as possible. Okay, So thank you for watching the video.